There is one thing every business owner wants. It doesn't matter if you're just starting or you have already crossed 100K or even millions of dollars every month. Everyone wants more clients. And after being online entrepreneur for years and generating hundreds of thousands of dollars online, I have got client acquisition down to science. It's just not like art and marketing, it's science. So be sure to watch until the end so you can use these strategies to get more clients today. See, based on the type of the business or the niche you pick up, there are different strategies available and can be used to generate more clients. See, for example, if you are like a B2B SaaS or an agency, or you've built a B2C product, or you're just selling professional services to the clients, you might find it exciting to use all the tools available and all the strategies available and start reaching out to clients in different ways, in different channels and means. But that's a big no-no, especially if you're a startup and don't have enough dollars to spend on marketing. So there are many things involved in the process and it took years for me to learn those things. So I'm giving you two simple strategies which you can start from day one. So strategy one, cold outreach, especially email outreach. There are 3 reasons why everyone should use this strategy early on in your business. 1, no cost. 2, it's easy. 3, it's definitely effective. So there are the 3 steps a beginner can do and replicate this strategy. When I say no cost, it's definitely no cost compared to other strategies, but it has some minimum cost. So you need to have some good email marketing tools, database for the leads, domain setups and email setup, which is like really important, and warming up those emails. You need to create more domains similar to your brand domain. To do a minimum of 5,000 email outreach a month, you need at least 3 to 4 domains and 3 email IDs for each of those domains. See, for example, my domain is growthiq.net, but I have created other domains as well, like marketinggrowthiq.net, consultinggrowthiq.net, mygrowthiq.net, etc. So first create different domains, minimum 3, and 3 email ID for each of those domains so that you can comfortably reach out to 5,000 to 6,000 leads. Second is the outreach script. Script is essential for engaging potential clients and converting them into loyal customers. So here's a framework that you can adopt to your needs. So subject line. Your subject line should be compelling and relevant to the recipient. It's the first thing they see to make it count. Like say example like unlock your business potential with our exclusive marketing strategies. So start with an introduction, a personal greeting, and introduce yourself and your company briefly. You need a perfect intro. So who does your company help and to achieve what and by doing what? See, for example, we help small businesses to double their revenue by increasing their inbound lead, and it would be great if you can mention time frame also, like say 3 months or 90 days. Next, the hook. Grab their attention by addressing the pain point or offering a valuable insight. As a business owner, you understand the challenge of staying ahead in competitive market. That's why I am reaching out to share some proven strategies that can boost your growth. Next is value proposition. Clearly state what you're offering and how it can benefit them. Be concise and highlight the key benefits. Focus on benefits, not the features. Highlight how your service or product will solve their problems or improve their business and to make their life easier. Next is social proof. Include testimonials or success stories from other clients that you have been working to build the credibility, right? Say for example, with some data as well, right? Our clients have seen a remarkable result such as a 30% increase in their website traffic or a 20% boost in net sales or like a 50% boost in their inbound lead using our strategies. So this kind of testimonials will actually help, and definitely don't forget to add a call to action. Prompt them to take the next step. Be clear about what you want them to do, either book a call for a demo or for a meeting. So end with a friendly and professional closing statement as well. So once your script is ready, next you need to focus. The most important third one is profile targeting for your cold outreach campaign. You need to know whom you should be reaching out. For that, first you should work on your customer profile or customer fit. you might feel, or actually your product or service might cater a wide range of industries or sizes of the company, for sure, but not everyone can be your customer. So you need to build your ideal customer profile, say size of the company, number of employees, or the revenue of the company, target geo location like US, Canada, or Europe, the department in the company, who would be targeting, like, marketing directors or VP or CMO or the HR director or a founder or co-founder or CEO of the company, based on the services you offer and for which department it would be helpful to sell. Let's say, for example, let's say you're marketing for QuickBooks. So reaching out to HR department is of no use. They wouldn't understand the bookkeeping problems and how it can benefit them. Or selling a CRM tool to a finance team, like, you get the point. So you can even choose one step higher and one step below the hierarchy as well, like say marketing director, a CMO, and a marketing manager as well, to send out your information to these people. There are many tools you can use like Apollo, Seamless, ZoomInfo, etc. Each has different pricing structure. Also, few offer verified leads as well. If not, any marketing agency also offers like a lead verification as a service. So most common mistakes many do following this strategy is not creating a separate domain. Most of them end up creating subdomains, and it's not going to help. Second, they don't spend enough time to warm up the emails which they create in the new domain. If you don't warm up your emails, well, then all your outreach will end up in junk or spam emails. Then the other mistake is not sending follow-up emails. No one will even notice you with just one email. You need to build a complete nurture sequence. We usually help our clients to build the complete nurture sequence based on their business and be automated for them, so they don't have to worry about it at all. And the other mistake is they talk more about their product and service and how great the features are. That's a huge mistake. See, it's your product, of course you love, but others would be like least bothered. So you need to talk about how your offering can solve their problem and add benefit to their business, not like the beautiful features of your product. And the other most important thing is not tracking the data or analyzing what's working. Should we change the subject line, or should we promote a different offering itself because the market is not accepting the current offering which you're giving? So the best thing to do is either you have a dedicated team to track and analyze and work on these strategies and rebuild the campaigns to see what is working out and what is not working out, or outsource it completely. If you do it correctly, this is the most effective strategy. Strategy 2, lead magnet. It's cost effective. You will get warm leads. You will claim your spot like a subject matter expert in that industry. So these are the steps a beginner can replicate this strategy. When we spoke about customer profiling, but this profiling is a little different. So customer profiling, understanding the pain points of the customer, what are the customer's fears, what are the customer's desires, and what the customer wants, where he needs to be. We can't be generic like, you're struggling to increase your revenue. That cannot be customer pain point. Of course, it's pain, but it's very common for every business. So you need to break it down further. You need to identify the things which your customer would end up Googling to solve a problem in their day-to-day work. Then content creation. Prepare a content where you can educate your ideal customer, like 3 ways or top 5 ways to solve the problem. Prepare an e-guide. Build a landing page with a form where they can enter details and you can send them the solution, your PDF or an ebook to their email. Now you know that this particular customer has this particular issue and that's why they have downloaded this content. It's a warm lead. You can target that customer in a better, effective way. So set up your funnel. See, lead magnet is a marketing channel. Now, once you get the details, you need that customer in the funnel. So you need to set up a completely different funnel to the warm clients to take them to the demo or a trial stage or signing up the deal. That should be your end goal or the funnel's end goal. So the most common mistake that everybody does in this lead magnet is preparing a very generic content, not setting a different funnel or using the generic funnel, the nurture sequence funnel. So for the warm leads as well, and not iterating based on the customer's journey. So they might take a trial, they may not want to buy your data, by your services or any of those things. So not understanding those things and not using those lead magnets to build their SEOs through blogs and other form of content. So these are the mistakes which everyone needs to avoid. So these two strategies, cold outreach and lead magnets, are the most cost effective and easy and efficient way to start your marketing. Now, if you like this video, you might want to exactly know how I started and scaled my recruitment agency. So please don't forget to click the link and enjoy that video as well. Thank you.